Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to change text color in Canva. So let's choose a project to work on, and I'll show you how to change text color. So good. So let's assume we want to change the text color of there are no text here, so let's choose something with text. Let me just upload an image and select from there. These are just pure images, no text. Okay, you know what, let me just click on write a text, and I'll change the okay, let me say Burger King. Now we can see that the color of this text is black. We can increase it this way. Let me put it at the center. Now we can change the color by clicking on this icon here with a kind of rainbow tablet beneath it. Click on it and then you see various colors you can change your text to. So I can choose orange. Let's see how it's okay. I can choose orange here. Let's see. It's orange already. We can change the fonts from here. You can choose let me choose horizon, and we have something like this. You can reduce the font size this way. Now let's give it a different color. Let me say red. No, it's not popping. Okay, let me choose white. It should come out good. So we can, this is how to change your color for your text on your Canva app. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I would see you in the next one, guys. Have a great day.